Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about or show you the procedure to cancel debit order on Capitec app. To cancel a debit order on Capitec app, you have to follow the simple steps. First thing first, you want to go ahead and install the application and log into your Capitec app or account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So at the bottom of the page, you could find this option as Transact. When you actually press on the transact option, you could see this field where you could find debit order. Press that debit order option. Next thing you want to do is select the particular order that you want to cancel or that you want to call off. So you want to go ahead and select that, and when you select it, you could find the description, amount, from account, transaction, all that information. At the bottom of the page, you could see dispute and stop. So click on the dispute, and once you actually click on dispute and stop, you could see this sort of warning sign. So go ahead and read it about, and if you're sure about it, tap the next button. And with that, you need to go ahead and give a reason for doing it. So do this and you'll have successfully canceled debit order on Capitec app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.